Hello everyone, welcome back to Aoki Lifestyle. In today's episode, I'll give you a full walkthrough of the apartment I stayed in my Singapore vacation. The reason I selected this apartment is because one of my relations lives here. This is 8 courtyard apartment. When selecting your accommodation, it is very important to select your accommodation closer to a MRT station. This apartment is located in a very convenient area with easy access to public transport, food places and daily essentials. One of the biggest advantage when staying in Singapore is being closer to an MRT station because it makes traveling around the city very easy and cost effective. So this apartment is located near the Canberra MRT station and the Yishun MRT station. One of the main shopping malls also located closer to this apartment complex. At the entrance we can see a mini mart where you can buy your daily essentials easily. As soon as you enter, the first thing you notice is how clean and compact the space is. Everything here is well organized, making the space feel comfortable despite its size. This is the lobby area of the apartment complex. Then from here we can go to the car park. And also there is a water fountain also. This is the car park. There is a 3-story car park for this building. And this is the entrance. And this place you can see it can goes to different ways. There are few blocks in this apartment complex and the garden is landscaped very carefully. The garden is divided into different courtyards and this is the Discovery courtyard. You can see how beautiful is it. This hall is for you to take your functions like birthday functions and little meetups like that. This is the Inspiration courtyard. It's another part of the garden. This place is the barbecue pit of the apartment. You can have your barbecue here, and this is the gymnasium of the apartment complex. They have a big gym inside the apartment complex where you get a lot of machineries and equipments. The main swimming pool of the apartment complex. It is a very large swimming pool and it's very beautiful. This is the wellness courtyard. Here you can get a hot pool and a cold water pool. So when you are tired, it is a best therapy. You could have it. You can get soaked into the cold pool and the hot pool. And this is the Harmony courtyard. There are many playgrounds in the apartment complex, so this is one of them. This is another play area, and this is the basketball court of the apartment. From here we are going to the sunrise garden. It is located on the rooftop, and here you can see another play area, and from here we can go to the tennis court. This is the play area, and the tennis court also located next to this play area. This is the tennis court of the apartment. There is another small pool on this rooftop garden. This is this small pool. This is their rooftop pool actually. In overall, this apartment was a great choice for my Singapore trip, and I had a great experience in this apartment. I was able to experience everything in this apartment. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more travel content. I'll see you in the next episode.